Based on our discussions, one thing is clear, right? Price and demand goes in opposite directions. This is called the law of demand, which can be stated as follows. When the price of a good goes up, people buy less of it, other things being equal. When the price of a good goes down, people buy more of it, other things being equal. Title of the story: A mistaken price change confirms the law of demand. In Wisconsin Rapids, Wisconsin, employees at a Citgo station intending to change the posted price of petrol from $3.43 per gallon to $3.49 per gallon accidentally changed the price to $0.349 per gallon. A station attendant said that within minutes, people were coming so fast everything was super crowded, like an amusement park. During the few minutes between the error and correction of the mistake, customers used self-serve pumps to buy hundreds of gallons of petrol, filling up their vehicles and any cans they had readily available. Thus, a significant, albeit mistaken, decrease in the price of petrol induced a substantial increase in the quantity of petrol demanded. What do you think would have happened if the gas station's pricing error had shifted the decimal point in the opposite direction, yielding a posted price of $34.9 per gallon? Let's take another case study now, this time at a more aggregate level. How much more petrol would people buy if its prices were lower? We have explained that the quantity of petrol demanded falls as the price rises. We are now ready to study empirical evidence that backs this up. Brazil and Venezuela share a border and they have similar levels of income per person. Both are also large oil producers. Each produced about 3 million barrels per day in 2013. However, they have radically different energy policies. Like most countries, Brazil heavily taxes the sale of petrol. In contrast, Venezuela aggressively subsidizes the sale of petrol. To compare their policies, when Brazilian drivers paid $5.58 per gallon in 2013, the Venezuelan drivers paid only $0.04 per gallon. The law of demand predicts that this lower price should be associated with a higher quantity demanded, all else held equal, right? And what does real world data tell us? In fact, per person petrol consumption is almost 5 times higher in Venezuela than in Brazil.